In today's video we're going to take you to Satcha, which is Cambodian's handicraft market in Siem Reap, for a look around. Let's go.
The yellow one? That's the one. Yeah, the wood one. Yeah. In here we do hot ceremony. In Cambodia we
Welcome
to the store. So you can look around and you have any question you can ask me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Symbol. So here is where your life begins, and as you go on through your journey you're going to pass through different stages of your life to your final flame.
Show you about the process of silvering. We have 9 steps, but from step 1 to 3 we don't have in here. So we start from step 4 that we do spinning until step 9 knotting. And I will show you from that. This is start from step 4. We spinning silk, cotton and bamboo. And this one is a bamboo. We spinning from the big one to become small bobbin, and after that we get a small one to put in the circle and rubbing the scalp. And about this one we call bobbing, falling with the leg of the scalp, and after that they set up on the loom like this. And for set up this loom, she takes 4 days, and then she takes 3 days for complete one scalp. So the total is 1 day to make one scalp. We call natural fiber. We make the product from rattan and baka hyacinth. This is the rattan that we pull it from the forest and it's far away from here. So we can make like bar, coaster, basket, bag, and for this one very unique. We combine ceramic with the rattan together. So you can pull it through and drive all the way. And for the small we make from baka hyacinth. Bamboo. You can feel it a bit different. Bamboo is very softer than cotton. And we also can sewing bag from fabric and hair tie from silk, cotton. And for this bag we make from rattan. Do you know rattan? Then, yes. We make at another workshop, but we bring here to combine with the cotton and leather. So now I will take you to the shop from Hindu, and he is a god that represents for wisdom, loyalty and luck. And this one is a spicy tray. You can put sauce like sugar or pepper inside. And for the big fish, and here is a customized order. And it take around like 1 month or 2 months to complete it. Yeah, it's take long though. It's the big one and have more. And all the product that we made in here, it's related to my culture. Like this one, we inspired from Angkor Wat temple. When you go to Angkor Wat, you will see the gold nugget. We up. Kind of flower.